Beware. Deadly plants you mistake for edibles. Could the plant in your garden be a deadly look-alike? Imagine strolling through your garden, only to find out that what you thought was a harmless plant could actually be a dangerous imposter. Stay tuned to learn how to protect yourself. In today's video, we'll explore the intriguing world of plant doppelgangers. Some deadly plants bear an uncanny resemblance to those we commonly eat. Knowing the difference could save your life. Let's dive into these fascinating yet hazardous lookalikes. We begin with deadly nightshade and tomato, two plants that look strikingly similar. Both have glossy red fruits that can easily confuse the untrained eye. However, one bite of deadly nightshade's berries can lead to severe poisoning. To safely distinguish between deadly nightshade and tomato, pay close attention to the leaves. Tomato plants have fuzzy leaves, while deadly nightshade leaves are smooth. Additionally, nightshade berries grow in clusters, unlike the solitary tomatoes. Next up, water hemlock and carrot share a remarkable resemblance. Both plants have feathery leaves and white umbrella-like flowers. However, water hemlock is highly toxic and can be fatal if ingested, making proper identification crucial for your safety. Water hemlock closely resembles the common carrot, both featuring similar leaves and umbrella-like clusters of small white flowers. This similarity can lead to dangerous confusion, as water hemlock is highly toxic and even small amounts can be fatal if ingested. To safely distinguish water hemlock from carrots, observe the roots and stem. Water hemlock has a hollow, chambered stem and tuberous roots that emit a strong, unpleasant odor when cut. Carrot plants, on the other hand, have a solid stem and familiar orange roots. Poison hemlock often gets mistaken for parsley due to their leafy green appearances. Both plants have finely divided leaves, but consuming poison hemlock can be deadly, making it essential to correctly identify these plants to prevent tragic accidents. When trying to identify poison hemlock versus parsley, look for purple spots on the stem. Poison hemlock has distinctive purple blotches on its hollow stem, unlike parsley. Additionally, poison hemlock has a musty odor, whereas parsley has a fresh, herbal scent. Foxglove and comfrey are frequently confused because of their similar tall stalks and bell-shaped flowers. However, foxglove contains potent cardiac glycosides, which can cause severe heart problems if consumed, making accurate identification crucial for safety. Foxglove can be easily mistaken for comfrey due to their similar tall spikes of bell-shaped flowers. However, foxglove contains digitalis, a potent toxin. It's crucial to learn the subtle differences to avoid accidental poisoning while foraging or gardening. When identifying comfrey, look for its hairy leaves and flowers ranging from white to purple. Unlike foxglove, comfrey's flowers are smaller and less tubular. Familiarizing yourself with these characteristics can help you safely differentiate between the two plants. The castor bean plant resembles the common bean but contains ricin, a deadly toxin. Castor beans have glossy leaves and spiky seed pods, unlike the matte leaves and smooth pods of common beans. Recognizing these features is vital for safety. White baneberry, also known as doll's eyes, can be confused with elderberry. White baneberry has distinctive white berries with black dots, unlike elderberry's dark purple clusters. Being aware of these visual cues can prevent dangerous ingestion mistakes. Doll's eyes look strikingly similar to blueberries, but are extremely toxic. Doll's eyes have white berries with a black center, resembling eyes. Blueberries are uniformly blue. Knowing these differences helps ensure safe foraging and consumption of wild berries. White baneberry, often called doll's eyes, has striking white berries with a black dot, resembling eyes. Elderberry, on the other hand, has clusters of dark purple berries. The similarity can be misleading, posing a risk for those untrained in plant identification. To safely distinguish elderberries from white baneberry, focus on the berry clusters and color. Elderberries grow in dense clusters and are dark purple. White baneberries have sparse clusters with distinctive white fruits. Proper identification is crucial for safety. Mistaking doll's eyes for blueberries is extremely dangerous. Doll's eyes are toxic, with berries that are eerily similar to blueberries in shape but white in color. Knowing the difference can prevent a potentially fatal mistake. Wild parsnip resembles the edible parsnip, but contains toxic sap that causes severe skin reactions. Unlike cultivated parsnip, wild parsnip has yellow flowers and a grooved stem. Proper identification is essential to avoid painful and dangerous skin burns. Summarizing the key points, it's vital to recognize the visual differences between similar-looking plants. This knowledge can prevent adverse health effects. Being informed and cautious when foraging or gardening ensures safety from these potentially deadly plant doppelgangers. In conclusion, always exercise caution when foraging or gardening. Familiarize yourself with common dangerous plant lookalikes and their safe counterparts. Knowledge is your best defense against accidental poisoning, so take the time to study and identify plants accurately. To further protect yourself, invest in a reliable field guide or plant identification app. These resources can be invaluable when you're unsure about a plant's safety. Remember, it's better to be overly cautious than to risk your health by consuming something potentially toxic. We hope you found these tips helpful. Stay tuned for more safety advice and plant identification guides by subscribing to our channel. Share this video with friends and family to help keep everyone safe from deadly plant lookalikes.